Yow, you, yeah, you, the one where them chat behind your back. Them think your silence means surrender. Them think your calm mean clueless. Them think the stillness a weakness, but you're never the fool. No, sir. You're the architect behind every move them never see come. You're the walking time bomb with a doctorate in tech pain and smile. You're always quiet, and people always underrate the quiet ones till that silence busts like thunder. Then they'd have it all prep, the smirks, the dry joke, the slick insults wrapped up in fake laugh. Them act out them little clown show, play the role them give themselves, and you never blink, never twitch, never crack. Nah, you just sit steady. Make your silence did grave for every less word them did ready for fling. Then boom, just as them step up for bury you under insult, your genius clap back. Not with noise, not with punch, nah man. With raw, uncut, dangerous truth. The type where split reality like machete. The kind where show them say them whole mindset fake, plastic. Them jaw lock mid-word. Them feel it. Them feel the power in your silence. Feel the air get cold. Feel shame crawl up them back and they even know why yet. Them no stop talk or you loud. Them stop cause them realize you outthink them so wicked it start look spooky. See? People afraid more when you outsmart them than if you did punch them. Them afraid when you play 4D chess on a board where you done bun long and throw away. You never become genius overnight. You earn it in the dark. When them did sleep in them comfort. While them idle, you did forge weapons out of thoughts. Bleed in a silence. Build up plans them can't even picture. Them reject you. Laugh off you. Try embarrass you. You take all of that and use it like gas on fire. And now them a look upon you like them see ghost. Realize them never a laugh at a idiot. Them did mock the blueprint of greatness. You're never quiet cause you're weak. You're quiet cause them never ready for the storm we follow. Now them a pay the price for wake up the wrong mind. How we never see it, them a whisper, cause you never need them to validate you.